नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहिए। दिस इज जेवेन डॉक्टर विशाल सक्सेना, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन मैथमेटिक्स, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today I am going to discuss about the module that rates CDR, SDR and STDR. This module is a part of the course Biostatistics. So first we see the definition of crude death rate CDR. The crude death rate is the number of deaths per thousand people in a year in relation to the total population. It can be calculated as follows. Crude death rate, which is also known as CDR, is equal to D upon P into K, where D is equal to total registered deaths in a year, P is equal to total mid-year population of the year, and K is equal to 1000. Now next we see the definition of SDR, and whose full form is specific death rate. As the death rates in the case of infants and old people are high and that of young people are low, it is advised to classify people under different categories according to their age groups. The age specific death rate is calculated as under specific death rate is equal to dA upon PA into K, where dA is equal to number of deaths in a particular age group and PA is equal to mid-year population of the age group. K is equal to 1000. Now next we see the definition of STDR, and also known as standardized death rate. The standardized death rate is computed to compare the death rates of two different populations. According to the Thomson and Lewis, the standardized death rate based on age-specific death rates supplies a simple and accurate basis for comparing the death rates of different populations. Standardized death rates are two types, direct and indirect. So first, direct standardized death rate, and its formula is given by PS into DL upon PS. So the formula for the standardized death rate is given by PS into DL upon PS, where PS is equal to standard population of a locality and DL is equal to age specific death rate of the local population. So these are notations. And second is indirect standardized death rate. In the case of indirect standardized death rate, the age specific death rate of a locality is taken as the standard for computation and the following formula is applied. So indirect standardized death rate is given by PL into DS upon PL. So the formula is given by PL into DS upon PL, and where PL represents the population of the locality. So PL is the population of the locality, while DS represents the standardized age specific death rate. So DS represents here standardized age specific death rate. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with the digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts and problems. With this I conclude today's session. Thank you.